Hi guys, and welcome back to Aisha.Academy. And in today's video, we're going to go through distance time graphs. So first of all, when it comes to distance time graphs, what they basically show is the relationship between distance and time on a graph. So here's our graph, and your y-axis is usually your distance, and the x-axis is time. Okay, and this usually stays the same. It's not going to change. So distance y time x. Now, with our gradient, so gradient is usually a change in y over change in x, right? So it's going to be your distance divided by your time. And distance divided by time is equal to something else, and that is our speed. So if you have a straight line on a distance time graph, that means that the speed is constant. Whereas if you have a horizontal line on the distance time graph, that means the object is stationary. So let's go into some practice questions. Example 1. So here is our question, and long story short, it says at 3 p.m. Simon is stopped for a rest, and how many minutes is he resting for on his cycle ride? So that's the red line highlighted, so he's rested for 30 minutes. So how far was Simon away from home at 5 p.m? So you draw a line up from 5 p.m. and across, and that's going to tell you the distance, which is 20 kilometers. Then it now says that at 5 p.m. he stopped for 30 minutes, then he cycled home for another hour and a half. So it wants us to complete the travel graph. So we're going to draw our horizontal line for 30 minutes because that's being at rest, stationary, and then we're going to draw a line down for 1.5 hours. Example 2. So in this scenario, it says on the way to the ice rink, Jane stopped at her friend's house. So it wants us to work out how far away her friend's house is from the ice rink. So drawing those two lines across, you're going to end up doing 8 kilometers minus 3 kilometers, which is 5 kilometers away from her friend's house. Then again, so it says that Jane was at the ice rink for an hour and a half, and then she took a 2-hour walk home. So she rested for an hour and a half, right? So that means she rested until 6:30 p.m. So we're going to draw a straight line across till there. Then it says that she took 2 hours to walk home. So that means that she should get home by 8:30 p.m. So we're going to draw a line back down to 8:30 p.m. And that's it on distance time graphs. So I hope that was useful, guys. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more content.